Hello? Question number 5B, 2022 BECE. This one is on vectors. So given that P is a vector of 2 minus 3x and 5 minus 2y as the x and y coordinates respectively. Then Q is also minus 1 and 5. And if P minus Q give us a vector of 6, 8, we have to find the value of x plus y, meaning we need to know what the x is in P and what the y is still in P for both x and y coordinates. So let's begin with the equation here. P minus Q equals to vector 6, 8. But we know what P stands for. P stands for 2 minus 3x on the x-axis, then 5 minus what? 2y for the y coordinate. This minus Q, which is going to be negative 1 and 5, still equals to 6, 8. So what do? We can see this is going to be subtraction of vectors. We subtract the corresponding component. So subtracting the corresponding component for the left-hand side will mean that we'll be having 2 minus 3x. This is minus negative 1. So negative will be plus 1. Then you have 5 minus 2y minus 5. Still equals to 6 and 8. So we can perform what will be 2 plus 1 minus 3x. 5 minus 5 minus 2y. So the top here is going to be 3 plus 3x, then minus y in this case equals to 6 and 8. So these become equal vectors. The vector at the left equals to the vector at the right. So we are going to equate the corresponding component. Will mean that 3 plus 3x will be equal to 6, the corresponding component. So we maintain this, send this there, right? I think we are having minus. This is minus. So 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3x. So this is going to be minus. So we are holding this one down, sending this one there, meaning minus 3x equals to 6. Positive become minus 3. So if you perform this operation, 6 minus 3 will be giving you 3. But we are looking for the x. So we divide both sides by the coefficient here, meaning minus 3x divided by minus 3, 3 divided by what? Minus 3. This will cancel. X will be equals to negative 1. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1. And the negative will take effect, making it negative 1. And we are going to compare here to, so minus 2y equals to 8. The y component will also take effect. So we divide by the coefficient. Minus 2y minus 2, 8 minus 2. So 2 will cancel. Y will be equals to minus 4. Meaning 8 divided by 2. That will be 4. The negative will take effect, make it negative 4. So we can say, therefore, our x plus y is going to be equals to the value of x, negative 1, plus the value of y, negative 4. We are adding two negative numbers. Negative 1 added to negative 4 will give us a negative 5 as our answer, the arithmetic of x plus y. I'm sure the concept is clear. Share with somebody, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye-bye.